First thing you want to do is go ahead and free up all of these lines here. Take a 10mm, undo your ABS sensor here, and then follows it up, goes to the back of this upper control arm, and then the brake line as well. Now what you're going to do, spin this puppy out, spin your upper control arm out. It is an 18mm. It's fine. We'll go ahead and put 2 threads back in there. Alright, now we're going to spin this lower control arm out. Go ahead and loosen up the sway bar, it's a 21. Once you got everything loose, then you just got to go around and knock it all out. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and hit the bottom strut mount, or the bottom strut bolts. They should be 15s. I don't know where that other, here it is. Alright, now that we got those out, you're going to use an open end wrench, or if you got a ratcheting wrench you can use that, but we'll go ahead and use this wrench. Bust these loose. It's an 18mm. Alright. Well, that motherfucker. There it is. Nice. Alright, so if your car has adaptive ride, then you're going to have to put this bracket on. So just loosen this little nut up real quick. Get this thing pulled out of there. Alright, the bracket's going to go up on the top of the upper control arm. And you just put the washer and the nut on this side. Actually, you don't put a washer on that side.